to download the application, the Huawei Health application, to connect your Huawei Watch Fit 4 to your device. Well, unfortunately, this application is not available on the Play Store for some reason. As you take a look for the Huawei Health, let's quickly search for this application. It is not available right here. So what you have to do from here is go into your browser, internet browser, in my case the Google Chrome, and from here you'll actually have to find this application Huawei Health. As you type it in, you will have to go for the Huawei Global, the official Huawei website, and from here you are able to actually download the APK file to download this to install this application on your phone. So first of all, you have to install this file itself, and let's open this one with Google Chrome. Oh no, actually right here we have to actually select which device we are installing this application on, and in my case it will be a Motorola, but here's the list of all of these different phones right here. So select your phone, your model, and press reload, and this will basically, now we'll be able to install this application. So let's press install real quick for this app, and now the installation will begin. I can't see it installing for some reason. So the installation didn't actually work because as I was pressing this install button right here, I was being asked if I want to install this application via App Gallery or to download it via browser. So what you have to do is press download via browser to simply download this application just like this. Press this download button and this will start downloading this application. If you install this application, actually you will have to go back and go for the files or file manager or anything. You'll have to go simply into downloads from of your device, and let's quickly find it. Here we have the downloads, and as you can see here I have this APK file of this application. What you have to do right now is press the button to actually begin the installation, and from here if you are doing it for the first time, if you're installing from foreign sources or anything like this, you'll have to accept this files application to actually install the applications. You have to give permissions for this application to install foreign applications, and that is basically how you can download this Huawei Health application. From there it will be available on your device. You'll be able to use it just like this.